Alright, I'm back. So I upgraded my computer system a little bit, my setup. Just wanted to throw a little video out here. Check out my new setup. It's pretty fucking sick. It's actually getting me to play a little bit more because I work a lot, but yeah, this fucking shit's dope. So anyways, I got the new monitor. The Alienware AW3225QF, 32-inch, 4K OLED, 240 hertz, eark ready. Motherfucker's fast and it's dope. It's the best monitor I ever had. But yeah, it's not that much of an upgrade, but it is pretty much from my tall ass, because I was only like 132, I think, 34 hertz, and it was huge as shit. So but yeah, my 3090 is running it pretty good. It's doing good. I haven't had no hiccups at all or anything. So but yeah, anyway, so paid about $12.50 for that. That's with taxes and everything, probably a little bit more. But and then I paid $400 for the Samsung 990 Pro with heatsink. And then the case to it says I was running out of, I had to erase a few games because I bought a few more games. I bought that Ghost of Tsushima and Alan Wake 2, and I had to erase a couple fucking games for it. So I was like, fuck that. So I ended up getting another 4 terabytes. So I'm up to 8 now, 8 terabytes altogether. And then that was about $400 altogether. That the card right there is already what, $340 plus tax, so about $360, something like that, just for the 4 terabyte. And then I got this beast, this Polk Audio Magnifi Mini, so 3.1 Dolby Atmos with the 8-inch subwoofer. That motherfucker is, it's a beast. I'm telling you, it sounds like fucking, I was listening to this Atmos shit and it felt like the plane was just going around me. I don't know how they did it without firing speakers, but that shit's super sick. And the subwoofer's down there, fits perfect in there. It's a 8-inch subwoofer, fits down there perfect. So everything is just, I don't know, everything's just perfect setup. It's great, love it. Also got the earphones. I don't think I did a video on that, but yeah, I ended up getting these two that go with the Alienware ones, the wireless, and then the 2 controls, the 8-bit Do Pro controllers. Ended up getting those too. So yeah, it's been a while. It bought me a 3DS limited edition Zelda one, Hyrule edition, has dual IPS screens. Been playing that too. Spent a lot. That's probably like another $400 or $500 or whatever. And then I modded it, so it has everything modded and everything. And then I have the Lenovo Legion Go. I have that too. So paid like $800 and something for that when it first came out. So I know I haven't made a video in a while, but yeah, I'm just splurging, buying a bunch of shit still. So but yeah, anyways, so this is about the setup. We're gonna do a little quick test. We'll do a quick little demo of Ori, just because I already know that's fucking shit's sick from the Will of the Wisp. Just to check out the 4K. Hopefully you'll be able to see it with everything all compressed through YouTube. But yeah, we'll just do a little demo of that and check that out. See if we can see some. Oh, I got me an arm so I could pull it in and out. Got it on this monitor arm. It works pretty good. Haven't had no problems with that. But yeah, let me just, Alexa, turn off the light. Turn this up a little bit and just check out this beginning part, because you know that shit's pretty sick. So, and it has all the colors too. So I have the HDR on. What else? Yeah, I already configured it and all that stuff through Windows and made up all the settings and everything, so everything should look good. But yeah, let's check this out. Turn this fucking sound bar up. It's not even halfway up right there. So I'm gonna play with one hand so we can get to this demo. I am recording in 4K, so who knows if you'll be able to see it on the YouTube video, but we'll try it. I am still just recording from my phone, so one-handed. Let's turn this bad boy up. That shit's loud. It's not even halfway up. That shit fucking is bumping. Motherfuck with one hand. There we go. Probably be using the Glide right now, but one-handed, so I'm gonna have to get me a nice camera. I just don't make enough videos to justify paying a bunch of money for one. Yeah, I don't know how it's gonna look in this video, but that shit's super crisp. Hella crisp. Shit looks amazing.